Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a WordPress website gig on Fiverr using an easy method. First, you need to understand the market demand for WordPress services. Research what clients are looking for and identify your unique selling proposition. Consider what specific type of WordPress work you excel at, whether it is design, development, or maintenance. This initial research is crucial for setting a strong foundation for your gig. Next, focus on crafting the core details of your gig. Your gig title should be catchy and include keywords that potential buyers might search for. Write a clear and concise description that highlights your expertise and the value you provide. Make sure to select the most appropriate categories and search tags to improve visibility. Finally, set up 3 distinct pricing packages, offering different levels of service to cater to various client needs. Visuals are incredibly important for attracting buyers. Upload high-quality images or a short video that effectively showcases your WordPress website portfolio and skills. Clearly list all the requirements you need from the buyer before you can start working on their project. This prevents delays and misunderstandings. Also, create a frequently asked questions section to proactively address common queries, saving you time and improving client satisfaction. Once all the details are perfect, it is time to publish your gig. After publishing, do not just wait for orders. Actively promote your new gig across your social media platforms and professional networks. Providing excellent customer service is paramount to earning 5-star reviews, which significantly boosts your gig's ranking and visibility. Remember to continuously update and optimize your gig based on performance and client feedback for sustained success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.